To square a number means to multiply it by itself. Squared is often written as a little tool like this. This says 4 squared equals 16. And this says the number appears twice in multiplying. 0 squared equals 0 times 0 equals 0. 1 squared equals 1 times 1 equals 1. And so on. We can also square negative numbers. For example, what happens when you square minus 5? The result is 25. So, when we square a negative number, we get a positive result, just the same as squaring a positive number. A square root goes the other way. 4 squared is 16, so a square root of 16 is 4. A square root of a number is a value that can be multiplied by itself to give the original number. A square root of 16 is 4 because when 4 is multiplied by itself, we get 16. Let's get back to negatives. We discovered earlier that we can square negative numbers. But this brings us to the conclusion that the square root of 16 is minus 4, which is not true. The square root of any number must be a positive, so the square root of 16 must be 4 and it can't be minus 4. This says the square root of 16 equals 4, and this symbol is called a radical. It's the most common symbol for the square root. The perfect squares are the squares of the integers. So the perfect squares are 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and so on. But, for example, 28 is not a perfect square, because there aren't any integers that satisfy the equation x squared equals 28. Now, let's practice. What is 7 squared? Pause the video and try to solve this problem. 7 squared equals 7 times 7 equals 49. What's the square root of 121? Since 11 times 11 equals 121, the answer is 11. If you have some questions, please write in the comment section. And if you liked this video, show us, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.